Welcome to the Metadata Catalog. With the Metadata Catalog, you can search assets consistently, regardless of the underlying data platform, and have support on programmatic integration, allowing for the development of new services. Who is this tool for? Researchers in academia, industry, and European projects who can code. What can you expect? Enjoy a unified metadata of AI research. Search and discover more easily. Have support on programmatic integration. Now that you know what the Metadata Catalog enables, let's walk through how it works step by step. This is the main interactive documentation page for the Metadata Catalog REST API. It has information on all the endpoints available. For each asset type, there is a set of endpoints that allow basic search, retrieval, and upload of the metadata. By clicking on the chevron, you can get more information on each individual endpoint. For example, to see which parameters the endpoint accepts, or the schema of the expected response. If you click Try it out and execute, you can query the REST API directly from the documentation page. You can then see the server response. In this case, it has metadata such as the dataset name and description, and also a unique identifier by which the metadata is registered in AI on demand. Other endpoints allow you to retrieve individual assets, upload, update, or delete assets, or browse assets by origin platform. If you want to use endpoints which use authentication, as indicated by the padlock, you must first authenticate using the Authorize button, and navigate to the PKCE login and click Authorize. This will bring you to the AIOD login page, or automatically retrieve the information if you are already logged in. You can now use the endpoints which require authentication. There are also several other types of endpoints available, such as for managing bookmarks or viewing all your resources at once. You can find more information about how to use the Metadata Catalog in the documentation. With just a few steps, the Metadata Catalog takes you from discovery to integration, offering streamlined and unified access to AI metadata. Try the Metadata Catalog on AIOD today.